Hello everybody, and thanks for watching Living Like Larry in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make the best french fries, just like Five Guys has and just like Penn Station has. Five Guys has great burgers and they have phenomenal french fries, nice fresh cut fries. So the first step you need in making these fries is to wash your potatoes. I like using russet potatoes. They're high in starch. That gets rid of the high water content, so they end up being nice and crisp. But the first thing you need to do is wash them really good, and then we're going to cut them. Now I have this cutter here, this french fry cutter I got from Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description for it. You can use a knife if you want to. A knife works fine. Just make sure you cut them in nice, manageable. Get it started here and just clips on down. I leave the skin on, and look at this. Get these nice, perfect size fries right here. I'm gonna do about, probably 2 potatoes, which is pretty good. Makes it a lot. A potato makes a lot, actually. You'd be surprised. So here goes the second one. Get started, and down we go. Like I said, you can use a knife. A knife and cut them into what size you want works just as good. Look at that. Nice, perfect size cut french fries. And like I said, there's 2 potatoes, and look how many that made. That just really makes a lot. So I'd say probably about 1 potato per person, unless you really want a lot of fries, then you know, more than that. But there's the first step. Now the second step, well, the third step after cleaning them and cutting them. This is a Weston cutter. Real simple to use, has the grate right there. But the third step is we want to soak them in cold water. And it has to be cold. And what this does is it gets rid of the surface starch. I guess I could have used a larger bowl for this. So I'll leave a few of these fries out, but there. But yeah, we want to soak that in cold water for about 30 minutes to an hour. And what that does is it extracts the surface starch, gets rid of that. So you make these fries and they really get crispy, really brown, look really nice, and taste delicious. So we'll take a break here for a minute while I let these soak, and I'll come back and I'll show you the difference between what this water looks like, and I'll soak them in some new water so you can see how much starch comes out. But again, step 1, clean your potatoes. Step 2, cut your potatoes with a knife or with a nice handy little french fry cutter. And number 3, soak in cold water for anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour. Okay, so I've let these soak about 45 minutes now. But I'm going to move them over here into a different bowl of cold water. You can see just how cloudy that is. That's all the starch off of them fries. Now they're in nice clear water. But that is a good thing to get that starch off of there. So the next thing we need to do is get them out of the water and dry it off so we can fry them. The next step in this process is you need to dry these off, because the worst thing you want to do is put fries in your deep fryer that are full of water. Oil and water do not mix well. So I'm going to spread these out here on the tray on a paper towel. Let them drain a little bit. Get them out of there. And I'm going to take another towel and pat them dry. Get all this excess water off of these. And I'm just doing a small batch, but this is all really important. There, so they're nice and dry now. Got the oil heating up. The first step, I'm going to put them in the deep fryer at about 325, 330 degrees for the first 3 minutes. We'll get to that next. Okay, so now we've got our fries cut and soaked and dried, prepared for the first fry. So what I got here is I got my Presto Pro Fry dual basket deep fryer. Had this for a while. It's been pretty good. Works pretty good. Still going strong. So I'm gonna take my fries, put them in the baskets. Go ahead and fill up 2 baskets here. Wanna not overload the basket. And again, you want to make sure they're dry. You don't want to put a lot of water in with hot oil. So, but this first fry, we're going to drop them down, and we're going to fry them in here for about 3 minutes at about 325. Anywhere from 320 to 330 for about 3 minutes for the first fry is really good. What it does is this actually cooks the potato, the inside of the potato, so it's a nice lower heat. And we're going to get it out, like I said, in 3 minutes. Okay, so our 3 minutes is up. We'll go ahead and put these up here. Let them drain in the basket. See, not browned up yet. Still got that white color. Like I said, that just cooked the inside of the potato. I'm not making tomato fries, no such thing. But that's just the first fry. I'm gonna let these drain a little bit. And then I'm gonna dump them. Over here. And I'm going to let these cool off for a little bit because they're going to get fried again, but I want to let them cool off. You can let them sit out for a little bit, or you can put them in the refrigerator even. Just let them cool off. But this is something that you might want to get prepared for with this all the way through this first fry. A couple hours before you make them for dinner or whatever. But yeah, first fry, low heat. There, snapped right up. Potatoes cooked throughout. So let's wait for them to cool off a little bit. Okay, I've let these fries cool off for about an hour now. And next up, we're gonna put them in here a second time. And I got it turned up to 375. So I got my grease at 375. I'm going to drop them again. And I'm going to leave them in there for about another 3 or 4 minutes. This is going to get the outside nice and browned up and really crispy. It's going to make these fries so delicious. Alright, these have been in here for a little over 3 minutes now at 375 degrees. We're getting that nice golden brown color to them. Floating up to the top. Give them a few more seconds here, and I'll pull them out. Let them drain a little bit. Get some of the excess oil off of them. Like I said, this Presto Pro Fryer dual basket deep fryer has been pretty good for me. I've had it, you know, probably about 3 years now, and it's still doing a great job deep frying anything I have, from, you know, French fries, onion rings, fish. You know, I use the air fryer a lot now too, but sometimes you just want to, you know, use the oil. It just something about it, and just got to let go sometimes. Alright, now they drained for a few minutes here. Dump it in this bowl. And you want to season them up when they're nice and hot. I'm just going to use some regular table salt here. Sea salt or anything else. Bounce them around a little bit. There you go. Nice homemade French fries, just like Five Guys and Penn Station. Maybe your local county fair and festival. Delicious fries. Let's try them out. Oh wow, perfect. Done all the way through. Nice and crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside. Delicious French fry. Well, thanks for watching. Living Like Larry, my little cooking section here. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did like it, give it a thumbs up, please. It helps me out. If you really like it and you want to see more, subscribe. Subscribe to Living Like Larry. I put on travel videos, some cooking, some drinks, a little bit of everything. But again, thanks for watching, and please be nice to each other.